So hello guys and welcome back to Chess with Ayush, and guys, this is my 100th video and that's a big achievement for me. In the last few months you have supported me a lot, so thanks a lot to about that. And guys, I'm not sure if we have hit the 200 subscriber mark by the time I'm uploading this video, but I'm sure we are really close to it. Guys, in today's video I'm playing against one of my subscriber and a fellow YouTuber who also uploads chess videos, the Ghost Rider 23. His real name is Sujay and we'll be playing 3 fun variants: Anti-Chess, King of the Hill and Fog of War. As we play them, I'll be explaining you the rules. And guys, subscribe if you haven't before because today's video is going to be really crazy. So let's go on to the games. So guys, the first variant has started, the King of the Hill. If you can see, the 4 squares in the center are highlighted. They are highlighted because we have to get our kings onto the square, and the first one to reach that square without getting checkmated wins. He plays e4, I'll reply with e5. We have to get those squares guarded, otherwise the opponent's king will reach there and we will lose. He's actually a really good in this variants, and I have also played some variants, so this should be fun. Okay, I'll push spawn. If he takes, I can take back. Okay, takes the queen, I can take back. Gets his knight, I'll go. I'm not sure, guys. I have to be really careful. Okay, guys, I'll give a link to his channel in the description, and you should definitely check him out. He also makes really fun and great videos. His channel is actually more recent than mine. He has uploaded about I think 8 to 10 videos. So let's see. Okay, I don't know where I can go right now, to which safe square. Okay, if he takes this, simply I am the winner of this variant. I will not let him, hopefully. Let's go here. The pawns and my knight is really crucial right now, so I have to keep a guard on them. Guys, checkmate also wins here, so we have to be careful about that also. Another check maybe, or maybe this check and I will win the rook. I should go for some material as well. Oh, okay, I can. Oh my god, he's playing well here. Okay, I have to think here, think well and then play. If I take the knight, what happens then? His king gets to the square. I think I will. What will I do? Okay, he played well there, really well. I will go here to make sure that his king does not reach the square. It should. If takes, I can take back with the pawn. I have a certain material advantage. I'm a full rook up, but he's playing really well here, sacrificing some pieces so that he can get his king in really well. That's what strategy you should use. I have actually not played this variant on camera, and I don't think I have played this much on otherwise as well. So let's see. The most crucial square here is d5 actually. I have to be. I'll give him a check. Knight is in the attack. Where can the knight go? Okay, my rook will come in the game in the next move. That was a huge mistake if I'm not wrong. Guys, actually, knight e4 check I think loses for me here. I can't say it really. That check I think loses on the spot. Because I will have to move my king, and then his king will be in the d file. I think that would not be pleasant. Hopefully he does not find that. If he does, big up for him. He's a good player actually. I would like to lose from him. I don't mind that. Yes, guys, he found it, and I think no matter what I play in the next move, it is just a loss for me because his king is in the square and I lose. So that was a great game from him actually. I did not had much expectation in the King of the Hill game. Okay, so we will not be playing any more King of the Hill. The next game is going to be anti-chess. So be ready and let's begin. So guys, I actually forgot to mention about the rules of anti-chess in the video. So here are the rules. In anti-chess, you do not play like normal chess, but you try to give up all your pieces. While in the original normal game, you try to take the opponent's pieces, and the one who has more pieces and has an advantage wins. But here you try to give up all of your pieces so that once all of your pieces are out of the board and you don't have even one piece, like even the king moves like a normal piece and it is not special, like you don't have to get it in a check or checkmate, you can simply capture it like any other piece. And if you can capture a piece, for example, if my queen has a capture in front of it like a pawn or anything else, it has to capture it, it cannot ignore it and make any other random move. So I hope you understood the rules, and let's go on to the video. Anti-chess variant has started, and why am I getting the black pieces every time? That's not fair. Oh my god. I hope he does not have much experience in this variant. Otherwise I'll lose to 2-1 and that would not be so good. Okay, he makes a mistake in the first move itself. I can get 2 pieces of the board, that's a good thing. He will have to take it. Okay, it's anti-chess. Guys, I'm experienced in, if I lose here, that would be pretty bad. Okay. Oh my god. He has to take it. I don't think with what piece he will be taking it, not sure. Should take with the queen actually here. Oh my god, takes with the pawn. He is going to be in some sure trouble here. Takes the bishop. Which bishop will he take? Because I would be really sad if I lose this game, because this should be under control. He is asking for a take back actually. Takes back. Okay, I'll give him a take back. I'm not sure what he wanted to play. Okay, he took here. That was almost the same move. I will take this pawn. He will have to take it back. Okay, that was his strategy. I don't mind. I will give him a take back. Hopefully he is also kind enough to give me a take back afterwards if I want. Okay, I'll have to take here. He will take. He has to take this pawn. I'll take here. He will take that. The pawn. No, sorry, the bishop. Okay, he has messaged me something. Okay, I thought he has messaged me something. What should I do here? I have to take here. He takes the rook. I push the pawn. Oh my god. Okay, 1-1. That was pretty good. I had some chance in the anti-chess. So it's 1-1. Great games happening. Not too long. I'm really enjoying it because the games are not too long and boring. So I hope you guys are also enjoying it. The fight began. The fog of war. You have to save your king from getting hunted. In this game, what happened is that you have to get a king guarded because you won't get a check. You are unable to see the pieces which are out of your piece's sight. Right now I can see only the pieces which are in the sight of some of my pieces, and he is playing against me. 5 minutes each, and if you find the opponent's king, that means that you can kill it without even giving a check. So I can see his pawn. Okay, does not take it. I'll get my king in full safety, guys. No risk here. see all the pieces around my king, and once I see his king, I will hunt it. Guys, I hope you're enjoying these games. Not so long. I tried to make them a bit short so that it's fun for you also. Okay, he has not made a move yet. My king is in the vision of the H file. I think I have to save it a bit from there. Okay, I push this pawn so that I can watch the file. King is looking a bit safe right now. I will castle it maybe some time later. My queen is not out right now because it can get hunted, so I'm getting it a bit safe. Okay, guys, I hope you all I hope you guys understood the rules of the game. Guys, I'm not sure. Should I castle right now? Short castle. That can work. My king cannot be spotted from anywhere right now, if I'm not wrong. My pawn structure is looking alright. I will not be overcommitting anywhere here, so you guys will be seeing that. Actually this variant might be a bit glitchy because it's not old variant. It's a bit new variant, so that's why only we can hear the sound, and it's sometimes people don't even hear the sound of the moves made by the opponent, and they keep on waiting, that thinking that why their opponent is not making a move. I just castled. Everything looks under control. Okay, I can see his knight. Not sure if I should take it. Wait, first I will get my queen to here and then okay, push this pawn. What should I do? If takes, I can take back with the pawn. I can see his knight right now. If I will take and he takes back, I will not be able to see with what piece he took it back. That would be a bit of problem. Like that's what the rules say. That's not only for me, for him also. So okay, I will take the knight now. Okay, he had a pawn there. He will obviously take it back with the pawn. I will save my knight because I know he has a pawn there. Take this pawn as well. He will take back. And I will block that pawn. Takes with the knight. He has a pawn as well. He has a knight. Knight can be tricky, guys. I'm just taking it. He can take with the bishop as well. Don't know with what piece he took it. Guys, the king does not look as safe as it was looking earlier. Okay, what should I do? These pawns are also looking dangerous. I think this move is worthy of giving a chance. Okay. Can see another pawn. I think I will get some defense for my king. Get the rook here. He made a move here, guys. Look, my pawn on h file cannot move because he has some piece there. Okay. This game will be really intense actually. If I don't blunder anything, then only. Otherwise, I will be losing. Okay. Get my rook here. Hopefully, he does not take it. Push this pawn. Has a bishop. Will he take the? Will he dare to take the? Okay, blunders a bishop, or what is his plans? Okay, I see his king. Okay, I see his king. Oh my god. What did he do? He did not take my queen. What are his plans? Guys, I'm just saving my queen. I don't want to be too risky. Oh my god. How is he not able to see my pieces? Oh my god. Okay, he had some nasty ideas there. Oh my god, he knew where my king was. That's why he was not caring. That was a beautiful play from him. Really nice. So guys, this was the video for today. 200 subscribers special and my 100th video. Really special. Had a lot of fun playing.